Hello everyone, this is called nature. You see that beautiful lake with the dead tree on the lakes. I don't see any duck, but usually they have a lot of duck here. Oh, I have one right there. You see, right there. She slowly swim through the other side of the lake. Very quiet, beautiful. You see a lot of birds sound around here. I love the nature. Usually the water all the way here, but this one is summer. This year we don't have a lot of water, a lot of rain in California, so we don't have a lot of water. A lot of the lake become very dry. So this spot we have some water here. Uh, it's create a very peaceful place for to visit when you have time. It's nature. See, that's beautiful, beautiful. Do you love it? I just want to take a moment here to show you exactly how that looks. Up here you have a lot of tree. Go on this side. We have the butterfly. It's beautiful right there. See it? That is the beautiful butterfly. See how beautiful color, huh? What is that? That's beautiful.